I've been practicing intros for 5 minutes and I'm stressing myself out. Hold on. Hi, my name is Sarah, aka Sarah Kimberly. I am a makeup artist and this is my first video. If you want to check out my makeup work, I am on Instagram at SAYRAKIMAKEUP. Sarah Kim Makeup with the M shirt. That's super complex. Why did I do this? I'm going to be doing a makeup look. Obviously, you know that by that title already. God, Sarah. Okay. I have a little sketch. This is what it's probably going to look like. I am not a, paper artist. I'm bad at sketching, at painting, at drawing. Okay, wait, hold on. I should probably tell you what this look's going to be. I'm doing a Mosaic special effects kind of artsy thing. So I'm gonna do kind of like a triangle thing shape here with the Mosaic pieces. And I got, wait, where are they? Okay, these from Joann Fabrics and Crafts and Joann's. If you're a makeup artist and you want some creative ideas, go to Joann's because they've got sales and unusual supplies. But anyway, we're gonna be taking these little pieces, not real glass. Focus, please. Focus. I don't know how to work a camera. I'm sorry if I'm annoying. It's my personality, it's who I am. I'm like staring at the viewfinder. Okay, I've never made a YouTube video before, so I don't really know where to look. Do I look at my light? Do I look at you? Do I look at that? I have a mirror here. Hello. Wow, this video is a mess already. Okay, I don't know if anyone's done this look before. I made a really bad mosaic thing out of clay in middle school, and I was like, huh, what if I did that on my face but with glass? And then my teacher was like, don't use glass, so I got these. I'm gonna be taking those, I'm gonna be gluing them with Pros-Aide onto my face, and we're gonna be putting blood around it like it's kind of like part of our skin. Look, there's no logic to this look. It's art. It's art. It doesn't need logic. I'm gonna stop. I'm sorry. I'll keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm gonna start looking at you versus myself. I'm vain. Okay, I have ADHD if you wanted an explanation. And then the other side, we're gonna do a kind of that, whatever you want to describe that as. It feels weird talking to a lens. I feel like I'm being watched. I feel like my camera's watching me. I'm sorry. This is not me trying too hard for the video. This is me just being freaking weird. You didn't care, did you? Nope. Okay. If you ever decide to copy this makeup look, honestly, I'm winging it as I go, so if you do it too, you're probably gonna be doing that because I don't know how helpful this is gonna be. It's not organized, just like this video. First thing you wanna do, put your hair up if you have long hair. If you don't, that's great. You can put the mosaic pieces all over your head and scalp. It's awesome. You can also do that if you have hair. Hydrate, kids. Next step, hydrate. 20 minutes later. I'm kidding, I never saw SpongeBob. Why can't I talk today? What am I doing? Oh, okay. You're gonna wanna take some eyeshadow. Honestly, this part you can really do however you want to because you're gonna be putting paint over it and it's gonna be covered up by that for the most part. Just kind of go to town, however you wanna do it. I'm gonna be using Japonesque Pixelated color. I've had it for a million years. Just like a shadow that matches your skin tone for the most part as a base. And then any shadows that go on top of it will blend a little bit more easily. You will thank yourself later. Just do whatever you want for the eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using Buxom eyeshadow. We're gonna try zooming again. I don't know how well it's gonna work. My face looks so weird. Going in with a darker silver color now. Why is this not focusing on me? I'm gonna go with a darker silver color now because I feel like it. I am the worst YouTube makeup artist ever. I apologize that this keeps focusing and unfocusing. It's probably not that very fun to watch. If anyone has any tips for how to help your camera autofocus, because I can't find it on my camera body, so I don't know how to turn that on. How much would it suck if it stopped recording? I'm watching you. Actually, you're watching me. This is all I've ever wanted to look like. Now that we've got a really weird ring of silver around our eyes, I'm feeling like I want to add a little bit of red. The Jaclyn Hill palette has a whole ton of red, just to, match the blood. Do what makes you happy. Just be happy. Be amazing. I'm back. Hello. I really wanted to be like, hello, zombies. I'm a huge Glam and Gore fan. Mikey, I love you. If you ever watch this, I will actually die. You inspired me. You're amazing. I am going to take my favorite palette in the world. This is Mehron Makeup. They're water activated paints. Now that you have this done, however which way you wanted to do it, you're gonna want to take a pencil and kind of sketch out what you're gonna do, where you're gonna do it. Kind of like that sketch I made before, but on your face. A rough triangle there. Take the paint, mess up this eye like crazy, and it's gonna be a good time. And I forgot to pull out brushes for that, so I'll be right back. Where's my detox? Get a spray bottle of water. Going with the silver paint. Art. Now that you've randomly put paint all over one of your eyes, go in with another color. Add some depth. Just gonna add some gray in. Have a good old time. Can't open eyes. Will crease. I have issues. Why is it not focusing on me fanning myself? I'm gonna be going in with a brighter red than the paint I'm gonna be using as a base on the other side. Oh yeah. All right, now darker red. Kind of looking purple. This eye look is how I feel on the inside every day. If you are happy with it, then we can move on to this side. I'm not using beauty blenders or anything because these are water-based paints. It will just soak it up and I will waste a whole bunch of paint that way. The point of doing like a red base under this is so that when we put the mosaic pieces down, we're gonna be putting blood around the edges of it. I'm using label's gone. I'm using Nye Stage Blood, the fresh minty kind you can put in your mouth. And it's a little bright and I don't want it to be that bright because I just don't feel like it. I don't know if this is accurate. I could have blue blood for all I know, or green blood, or paint, basically. There you go, it's drying. Hydrate if you are able. Ah, my eyes were closed. Hey, if there's any YouTubers out there watching this video and you have any tips how I could improve my video making skills, feel free to comment in a nice way, please. I'm a beginner, I'll admit it. I'm starting out in honestly everything. I want to do everything. I want to do all kinds of makeup everywhere. Trying to be well-rounded. Making at least one YouTube video is part of that. This is just what all the kids seem to be doing these days. There might be a period or two in this video where I just mute myself and then I'll have like voiceover saying, I'm sorry, I muted my audio because I was saying stupid stuff and I thought you guys would rather listen to music. I'm gonna go back with a red eyeliner pencil, color my waterline red. I'm going to throw some streaks in there. Make it look a little bit more violent. Visually, not literally. Please don't be violent towards your eye. I like this look. I could live in this look. So now I'm going to go in with these lovely little glass mirror pieces. Attach them to my face with Pros-Aide in random spots. Using the Kryolan Pros-Aide adhesive. Pick a spot. Don't put it in your hair. That will be very painful. Woo! We're a mirror now. Here's the point where I'm gonna let this fast forward to the bloody fun part at the end. We're looking like an art piece. The other half of my face is feeling inferior now. Once you feel like you have however much you want and your face is very stiff, we can move on to the next step. It's just gonna be more of like the finer details. I'm gonna put some lashes on this eye and then I'm gonna start on the lips and then we'll get into the blood. I forgot to curl my lashes. And so they look like that. Now we're gonna do the lips. which is gonna go really fast because this is, and I wanna be done with this. I'm gonna go in with the bright red on this side. I'm sorry, this keeps going in and out of focus. The other side, we're gonna paint some Mosaic pieces on, and I'm gonna go in with some purple pieces to match this. That's how the lips turn out. I guess all that's left now is the blood. For this, I'm using blood. It's fake. Some thick blood. Can you tell that I'm kind of like losing my energy as I film this? I'm like, maybe I just need some water. I have water-based makeup on my lips. We're gonna go in with fresh blood later, but this is deep blood, so it's gonna be a little bit darker. I am so apologetic. I feel like I'm telling you what to do, and that's stressing me out because only if you want to. I don't want to offend you or seem bossy or anything. Wow, I got that on my hair. No going back from here. This whole interaction thing we've got going on is coming a lot easier to me than expected, which is kind of freaky. Like, why is it so easy for me to talk to myself? Like, I'm talking to you, but as I'm filming this, I'm essentially talking to myself. So I don't really have any followers, probably. It'd be weird if I did, because this is like my first video. Not my first video, but my first makeup video. Not my first makeup video, but my first makeup video I'm trying. I'm sorry, I muted my audio because I was saying stupid stuff and I thought you guys would rather listen to music. This is all I wanted to do, so I guess we are done? Question mark? Yeah, I don't really know what to do now. What should we call this? Mosaic? Yeah. What do I say now? What do people usually say at the end of their YouTube videos? Some kind of ritual? Anyway, let me know what you think, but if you want to see more of my work, go check out my Instagram. I'll leave like a link down in the description for you guys and a list of the products I used. This is kind of fun talking to myself through a camera lens that I actually think is watching me. I did this while taking photos, and I'm just gonna include a little bit of it here at the end just because it looks really freaking cool. I am back to apologize for my extremely unfocused video. Yes, it is very blurry. I hope you enjoyed the video.